We are on our first 2026 camping trip of the season.
It feels so weird to be, this is the first trip. It's like almost June, and
Yeah.
this is our first time out.
It's end of May right now. And we were just having a little discussion. So our first trip of the year, we got to get our things organized. We're still like a little rusty because it's actually been a while since we've been camping.
Yes.
And I was just saying, do you think in the first 10 minutes we're going to realize we forgot something important?
Yes.
But we've got the dog, Miss Luna, and
Yeah.
she's the most important thing here.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can show you the cutie. Hello. Say hi to your fans. We just pulled up to our campsite and I am instantly in my happy place. The fresh air and everything. Luke's about to pop up our rooftop tent for the first time this season. Here we go! How easy is that?
Ease up.
Yeah, it's like 10 p.m. so I am grateful that we're not like setting up a tent right now.
Yeah, totally.
I guess we're still setting up a tent
We're still
technically.
setting up, but it's a little bit of an easier process, like less taxing.
Yeah.
Although we got pretty good at setting up the neck one.
We are at Miet Campground in Jasper. Has nice flush toilet facilities with warm water in their sinks, which made it really nice to do some dishes and wash our face.
So a nice creek in the background.
Can you guys hear it?
I don't know. If they can.
Okay, tomorrow we are hoping to do a bit of a hike, but it might be rainy, so we're not sure what the plans will be. We actually have this site only for one night, and then we're gonna see where we end up. We might stay for another one. And we can't wait to take you guys along for a little day in Jasper.
Should be fun.
Say good night, Luna. Wow.
Perturbed.
She's just like ready to plan her escape out, I think. Okay, good night, you guys.
Good morning. We're kind of awake. Oh, there's the little Luna croissant. I got up a few minutes ago and I'm getting ready to go out there. And this little nugget is still sleeping.
I'm just saying, like he's forcing us to get up. I could just lie here.
I'm hungry. It's time for some food. And this little other croissant, well wait, this is the nugget. This is the croissant. Was obviously a bit restless, but she's all wrapped up like a croissant now, so she is good.
I forgot to say last night, the question was, did we forget anything? And we didn't forget anything yet to be able to fall asleep and like get the tent set up. So we'll see what happens when we have to attempt cooking some breakfast.
I feel like you just jinxed it.
You okay up there?
Yeah. I just felt a drip, and I'm just trying to figure out where it came from. I think it came from here, but I'm not sure.
One of the seams?
Yeah.
I said it came from
Yeah.
her nose.
Yeah, it definitely also comes from that spout. Get off of here too. Because there's a lot of condensation in here in general.
Cool. So
Yeah, I think we'll wrap up the sleeping bag and then leave the sleeping mat up here. And the worst case scenario, if the sleeping mat gets wet, we can just take off the mattress cover. The sheet?
Sure.
Call it a sheet.
okay, we took a minute to repark so that we could get our awning up because it is raining and get some warmer clothes on. Let me show you how much I love this Batwing awning setup. What? 180. So we've got the side. Luke here at the tailgate getting the stove set up so I don't have to cook in the rain. So good. And the inside is a dry, Luke. Did we pass the water test this time?
We have a little drip over here,
Okay.
which I'm upset about, but
He's upset.
what can you
We
do?
need better weather sealing.
Yeah.
This just reminded me that I ordered Luna the most ridiculous thing. I bought her a custom size to her doggy bathrobe.
Dino style.
It is a dinosaur print doggy bathrobe, and I cannot wait till it arrives.
It's gonna be so cute.
It's gonna be adorable for times like this when she's wet and needs a little towel off. I'm cracking away on breakfast. Luke just made our coffee, and I had to do my usual hash browns and eggs. Instead of breakfast sausage though, we had bacon at home, so I brought that. I am very lucky that Luke's colleague got us chicken and duck eggs. Come on, they look so good. Shout out Heidi, thank you. So, we're going to make them, oh, this one is so tiny, so I'm actually gonna make 2 for myself with this one. A pee-wee egg, as Mama Wong says.
That's so cute.
This
Did you
is
say
like,
2 are for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
So like, see the difference? Let's cook. Look at that cutie. Breakfast is served. How do you guys like your bacon? This, way too crisp for me. That was by accident. Luke here likes a medium crisp. I like a real soft.
Likes it almost still alive.
It's a lie. 2 eggs. I'm a lucky gal. Also, this stick, you guys know what that means when Luke made coffee.
What does it mean?
It means it's the coffee stick that you grab from the ground.
Yeah, it's the coffee stick.
Luke says he thinks it's been years since he's had bacon, but I'm pretty sure if you go back to our Bintan video.
I did have bacon there. Oh, right. Weird.
It's been years.
Couple weeks.
This guy. We were just saying how nice it is that it's mounted to the outside, so we don't have to worry about it getting like the stuff in the truck cap wet.
Yeah.
There's these little clips in here to help hold it up, and then zip her up. And as you can tell, it was really saving us from this downpour. My lens is full of water drops now. Whoopsie! You ever think about these shots that I take of Luke driving away, and then there's me literally running after him? Yeah, the things I do for the shot, guys. Little pull-off point off the side of the road. Might as well check her out while we're here. There was this trailhead from the campground, so I guess we could have walked here from the site. That's what I got to listen to all night. Soothe me to sleep.
It's nice.
It was worth the stop. Very nice, very cute. And also, the other side, the views. We've made it to Jasper. My husband wants a pastry.
No.
I think he actually wants another coffee.
Yeah, I do.
I couldn't resist. Look at this pizza pretzel. And they're famous for their sticky
I think
cinnamon
they're
bun.
famous for those. Sorry, it's like in the bag. I don't know.
A little upside down.
Hope you get two.
And
Susanna had to get her pastry, so.
and a coffee for somebody. The verdict is it's good, but Luke makes a better cinnamon bun.
I guess so. Do you think Luna can have some of this?
I think so.
Because she's giving me the eyes. Oh,
Approved.
You got some down there too, Linz.
Approved. So we did a little bit of Icefields Parkway driving around. Didn't really get to see too much because it poured rain and it was cloudy and foggy for most of it. we just pulled back into a new campground, Snaring.
I think it's snaring.
Luke pronounces it snaring and I call it snoring. Still in Jasper. And we're about to set up, but you know how I said there was like a lot of rain? We had a little concern about, is she waterproof? Our homemade DIY tent.
Keep in mind, it was waterproof like last night while it was popped up. The problem is when we close it and like the water on the walls gets folded in with the walls.
So
which is our concern.
let's show you guys what we're working with for our mattress right now. Here's the fabric, which again, folded in. Here's like pretty soaked through, unfortunately. Oh, let me just tell you, this is not a ombre style of bed sheet. This is soaking wet. And the entire like top wood platform, I shouldn't say entire, but a lot of it is wet. Oh,
Even the back there, like
So it's
25% of the mattress is soaked.
supposed to be like a light gray under there. You can kind of see a dry spot. The rest is a wet spot. And it's like I feel like I could wring it out.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh my goodness. And I don't know, maybe that was on us. We were silly manillies.
I don't know what other companies do, like the Super Pacific, the GFCs. I don't know. Do they have their
What material?
fabric covered the whole time so the fabric doesn't actually get wet? Do they have that? Actually, a lot do have the like rain awnings, and that would actually prevent the inner one from getting wet.
This
I don't know.
is like DWR waterproofing, whatever.
Yeah.
But we're pretty sure it's the fact of like compressing it in and closing it. And we were just out and about for the last like 5-6 hours.
Yeah.
And unfortunately it was wet when we packed it.
Yeah.
Not good.
Yeah.
Why are you sad, babe?
Because like in here is soaked too, so I don't know.
Yeah, you can see our like wood platform. So we clearly have leakage.
To be fair, like that's probably the worst rain we've been in ever in this thing. So like to be expected some leakages.
It was a good test.
It's just
And it failed.
yeah, I'm like I don't know how to fix it.
I think the solution is buy one.
Yeah, honestly, yes.
Ah, this thing giving us a run for our money. I think we have to pack it in and go home. Because one, we'll be freezing cold if we were to try and sleep on a wet mattress. I don't think there's a way for us to actually dry it out. Even if we could have a fire, but like, it wouldn't be ideal.
I also
And,
don't think it's good for the mattress. Like,
Yeah.
it's gonna get moldy. We have to go air it out.
and the wood would be wet still. Like there's no way for us to dry that part out.
Good shakeout trip.
So at the very beginning, we were like, did we forget anything? Or what?
I guess
You know,
backup mattress.
what did we forget? One, bringing the mattress bag and the straps. Two, maybe our backup like backcountry ones in case something like this, or in case we wanted to go to a walk-in site.
Yeah.
And three, some waterproofing fabric on our tent.
For just not a DIY rooftop tent.
If any rooftop tent companies want to send us one of your products just to like let us experience the
Yeah.
real deal,
That'd be great.
let me know.
Steal
Okay?
some designs off it.
Drop
That'd
us
be
a
great.
comment. We will we promise to take it out on some sweet adventures and make you content.
Yeah.
This is where we're gonna leave you. Defeated, heading home, no more adventure. Sorry, this sucks for us and for you as viewers.
It's a good shakeout trip. Can't win them all.
Don't forget,
Just don't DIY your own rooftop tent.
and if you're following any of our like how to and how we did it, don't do what we did. And don't forget to hit subscribe, leave us a comment. We'll see you on the next one. The aftermath of our mat. We're gonna let this dry out, bunch of fans on it. Hopefully we don't get mold and mildew. I'll get up now.
It's go time. All right. Let's
Stop
go.
the rolling, I've got no pants on.
Oh God.